In this video, I am introducing an email marketing software that you can get for one time very low price, and there will be no monthly fees forever. And I will be going through step by step how to extract emails from engine using this software. So please watch this video to the end to get all the details. If you are new to this channel, please consider to my channel. Remember that email marketing is more successful than social media. This email marketing software that sends beautiful and personalized message using 3 simple and easy steps. You can extract email, verify emails, and send emails to keyword targeted buyer for more businesses. So you can maximize your profit for your business with very low cost with this software and boost your business to the next level. This software is on sale only for limited time and price will be go up to the regular price very soon. So don't delay to get this software right away. I have provided a link in the description below to get this excellent software. So let's get started. As soon as you open this software, you will see this window will pop up. If you do not want this window to open on startup, you can uncheck Store at Startup. You can close anytime. You want to start new project, click Email Extractor. This software comes with so many options to choose from: Email Extractor, Email Verifier, and Email Sender. Once you extract all the emails, you can save the project, export to CSV or text format, export to Microsoft Excel, export to OpenOffice, and if you stuck with something, you can click on Get Help, and you also can see the tutorial by clicking here. So let's start Email Extractor. This extractor has many options to choose from. You can extract from Google, Yahoo, Bing, or search engine. Can scan from website address, extract contact from Whois, email address from files and folder, extract email from address mailbox, company contact finder, bulk search email addresses. Semi-automatic mode to extract is very easy. I will go through one by one all the videos separately. You can extract from Yellow email addresses, from Yellow Pages, extract emails from Facebook, extract email from Twitter, and even extract email from Google Maps. This time I'm going to do only for search by keywords and using search engines. And I will go through all this one separately on my future videos. So let's get started with extract emails from Google. Now we can start new search. Select search engine, type keywords, country select, click OK. Now software is working and extracting emails. You can stop anytime you want by clicking Stop Search right here. Or you can wait until the software finished its work itself. You can select Quay by clicking here. The URL are extracting. Can see the log, how many URL has been processed. URL in Quay 35 and extract email 87. Result so this is the demo purpose only, so I'm going to stop search right now. So once you click stop, software has been stopped and you can see the result, Quay and log. We already have 100 emails. URL processed 314, in Quay was 48, but we stopped in between, in middle. So now click to verified email. Validate all emails. Now export to Excel to your PC. That's it. Now you got all your emails. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video.